right, over here we got Ruben lighting up the Cuisiniere by J.A. Roby. You can also see here, very little smoke. The stove is taking off really nicely. Excellent work, Ruben. Easy to light, clean burning. We're outside here lighting up these cold stoves with very short chimneys.